Did you know the shrimp or scallops on your plate could be hiding something much scarier than a bad taste? I'm talking about antibiotic resistance, specifically resistance to colistin, one of the world's last resort antibiotics. Yeah, the big guns doctors turn to when nothing else works. A recent study from the University of Georgia just found colistin resistance genes in imported shrimp and scallops from food markets in Atlanta. This is the first time these genes, called mobile colistin resistance, or MCR genes, have shown up in seafood sold in the US. What's wild is these genes aren't just stuck in one species. They're riding on little bits of DNA called plasmids, which can hop between bacteria like swapping baseball cards. Why should you care? Well, if these genes spread, everyday infections could become impossible to treat. Colistin is literally the antibiotic doctors save for the most desperate cases. It was actually pulled from US hospitals decades ago because of nasty side effects, but now it's back in use because we're running out of options. Here's the kicker. About 90% of the shrimp eaten in the US is imported, but current screening doesn't even look for these resistance genes. The seafood from local sources? It tested clean in this study. This doesn't mean you have to panic or ditch seafood altogether, but it's a wake-up call about the global food chain and how antibiotic use abroad can affect us here at home. If you want to play it safe, try sourcing seafood locally and always cook it thoroughly. Remember, antibiotic resistance isn't just a far-off problem. It might be as close as your next meal.